So this is the initial unboxing and inspection of Jeremy Johnson's jack rails here, and right off the bat I am thoroughly impressed. You can see we have two precisionally made jack rails and a bolt kit to install them. They are powder coated in black and they look amazing. Now one thing you'll notice is these use carriage bolts. Now this is great because it allows for one-man installation. Pop the bolt through, make sure it locks in the square hub, and then spin the nut on and you're done. The coating on them is really well done. It's smooth, yet rough enough that you're not scared about beating it up. It's not like a gloss paint, but it's beautiful in and of itself. Another nice thing that I really love about these is the way they were made. They were actually folded from a single piece of steel, which means they're incredibly strong and they will hold up to daily use a lot better than a jack rail that was welded together. So far, I am incredibly impressed. I'm very excited to do a video in the coming months about installation of these jack rails and showing you how well they work, and then of course how they finally look on my vehicle. So stay tuned, let me know what you think, and have a wonderful day.